Akala nila na hindi rin ako nakikinig sa kanila. So, while all the time, they were also listening to what I've done, I've also been busy, and with the help of another country, listening to them. So, it's mali daw yun. It's unlawful sa recto law. Kagaya sa kanila, yung mga shabu, pag hindi man nahuli sa posesyon nila, wala man silang kaso. Ako, pag hindi mo ako naghuli, nakikinig ako sa iyo, wala rin ako. Sabihin ko, wala. That's what you call instant crimes. Either they have to be there, and they have to get something from you,